Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about budget travel in Japan. Japan is a beautiful country known for its rich culture, history, and technology. However, traveling in Japan can be expensive, especially for budget-conscious travelers. But fear not. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and tricks on how to explore Japan on a shoestring budget. Tip number 1. Visit during the off-season. One of the best ways to save money while traveling to Japan is to visit during the off-season. The peak season in Japan is during the cherry blossom season, which is from late March to early April, and during the Golden Week holiday in early May. If you can plan your trip during the shoulder season, which is from November to February, you will save a lot of money on flights, accommodation, and activities. Tip number 2. Stay in hostels. Hostels are a great option for budget travelers in Japan. They offer affordable accommodation and often include amenities such as a kitchen, laundry facilities, and free Wi-Fi. Some popular hostel chains in Japan include Kausen, J Hoppers, and Sakura Hostel. If you're traveling with a group, consider renting an Airbnb or a vacation rental for even more savings. Tip number 3. Eat like a local. Japanese cuisine is famous all over the world, but eating out can be expensive. One way to save money on food is to eat like a local. Try street food, convenience stores, and local markets for cheap and delicious meals. Japanese convenience stores, known as konbini, offer a wide range of affordable meals such as rice balls, sandwiches, and hot noodles. You can also find fresh and affordable produce at local markets. Tip number 4. Use public transportation. Japan has an excellent public transportation system, and it's the most affordable way to get around the country. The Japan Rail Pass is a popular option for tourists, which allows you unlimited use of junior trains for a set number of days. You can also use buses and subways, which are cheaper than taxis. Tip number 5. Take advantage of free attractions. Japan has plenty of free attractions that are worth visiting. Some popular options include the Meiji Shrine in Tokyo, Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto, and the Peace Memorial Park in Hiroshima. You can also find free walking tours in many cities, which are a great way to explore the city and learn about its history and culture. Tip number 6. Purchase discount passes. Discount passes are a great way to save money on transportation and attractions in Japan. The Tokyo subway ticket and Osaka Amazing Pass are popular options that offer unlimited rides on subways, buses, and trains, as well as free or discounted entry to popular attractions. Tip number 7. Shop at discount stores. Japan is known for its shopping, but it can be expensive if you're not careful. One way to save money is to shop at discount stores such as Don Quijote and 100 yen shops. These stores offer a wide range of affordable products, including souvenirs, snacks, and household items. Tip number 8. Take advantage of free Wi-Fi. Japan has plenty of free Wi-Fi spots, which can save you money on data roaming charges. Some popular options include Starbucks, McDonald's, and convenience stores. You can also rent a portable Wi-Fi device at the airport for a reasonable price. Tip number 9. Use discount airlines. If you're planning to visit multiple cities in Japan, consider using discount airlines such as Peach Aviation and Jetstar Japan. These airlines offer affordable flights between major cities in Japan and can save you a lot of money on transportation. Tip number 10. Learn some Japanese phrases. Learning some basic Japanese phrases can go a long way in Japan. Even just saying hello and thank you in Japanese can help you connect with locals and make your trip more enjoyable. You can also download language apps such as Duolingo and Rosetta Stone to help you learn Japanese before your trip. Tip number 11. Rent a bike. Renting a bike is a great way to explore Japan's cities and countryside. Many cities in Japan have bike rental services that are affordable and easy to use. You can also find bike rental shops near popular attractions, which can save you money on transportation. Tip number 12. Use discount coupons. Discount coupons can help you save money on attractions, restaurants, and transportation in Japan. You can find these coupons online or in tourist information centers. Some popular coupon websites include Japanicon, Groupon, and Jalan. Tip number 13. Visit free museums. Japan has many museums that are free or offer discounted admission. Some popular options include the National Museum of Modern Art in Tokyo and the Kyoto National Museum. You can also find free art galleries and exhibitions in many cities. Tip number 14. Use a travel rewards credit card. If you have a travel rewards credit card, consider using it for your trip to Japan. These cards offer rewards points or cash back on purchases, which can help you save money on flights, accommodation, and activities. Tip number 15. Plan ahead. Finally, planning ahead is key to saving money on a trip to Japan. Research your destination, book accommodation and transportation in advance, and make a budget for your trip. By doing so, you'll be able to avoid last-minute expenses and save money in the long run. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top tips and tricks for budget travel in Japan. With a little bit of planning and some creativity, you can explore this amazing country on a shoestring budget. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other tips for budget travel in Japan, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!